Books and turn to page 5. Page 5 of the songbook. We'll do one verse and two choruses of Ever Onward on page 5 of the songbook. There's a thrill in store for all, for we're about to toast the corporations that rule every land. We're here to cheer each pioneer and also proudly boast of that man of men, our friend and guiding hand. The name of T.J. Watson means a courage none can stem, and we feel honored to be here to toast the first chorus. Ever onward, that's the spirit that has brought us fame. We're big but bigger we will be, we can feel for all can see that to serve humanity has been our aim. Our colors now are known in every zone, our reputation sparkles like a gem. We fought our way through and new fields, we're sure to conquer doom, the ever onward IBM. Second stanza. Ever onward, we're bound for the top to never fall.
This is the current version of the Battlespoon. Left hand here, right hand here. So, just fine. But if I make this any thinner, I'm afraid the sides will break. That's why it's so thick.
This Battlespoon is Madison's, and this Battlespoon is Brandon's. From protecting your kitchen to the barbecue island, from your redwood porches to candles in bathtub waters, this Battlespoon was made for Madison and for Brandon. As I was carving this four-handed Battlespoon, I saw above me that endless woodway, and down below me a mound of sandpaper. And I knew this Battlespoon that I was making was made for Madison and for Brandon. And I carved and I sanded, and I followed my grit plan to the sparkling sheen on this spoon's handle. Around me a voice was asking, but why, Mike, is this Battlespoon made for Madison and for Brandon? Then the answer come a shining while I was out drawing, and the wood curls flying, and the dust clouds blowing. The voice was chanting, this Battlespoon made for Madison and Brandon. Mike, it takes two. And it remains unfinished while the handle is smoothing, and the cracks developing, and age dents adding. A voice coming chanting, and the fog was a-lifting. This Battlespoon, it was made for Madison and for Brandon.